Welcome to my channel. My good name is Sabina if you are meeting me for the first time, okay? I am a Kenyan based in Kenya, and today I am very excited to bring you another new video. And in today's video we are going to be cooking Kenyan food. Cooking Kenyan staple food. So we are going to be cooking ugali, mboga na nyama. If you are a Kenyan, you know what I mean. In Kenya, ugali is one of the meals that are like, they are like eaten very much. You will eat like every other day. Like every Kenyan family, at least they will eat this meal after every other day, if not on a daily basis. So we are going to be cooking together, and this is my mboga. This is kienyeji mboga. It's already cut. Okay. Johi. This is a mixture of different vegetables. There is spinach. There is kales. There is we call it managu and terere. Alafu tuko na hii. This is hoho. Tuko na hoho, vitunguu mbili hapa na nyanya. Kwa hivyo this is what we are going to be using. Alafu in here tayari nyama ina boil, so we have beef already boiling. Let me show you. So this is so this is the beef. It's boiling, it's almost getting ready. So the other thing, maize flour, okay? So hii maize flour ndio tutatumia kupika. You see? Hii ndio tutatumia kupika ugali. Yes. Lakini first things first. Nataka kwa sababu tayari nyama tayari iko karibu kuiva. Wacha niteremshe hii ndio muone vizuri. Muweze kuona vizuri ile kitu ambayo nafanya. I'm trying to lower the tripod. Yeah, like that. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Joey, kitunguu tumekatakata kitunguu. Hizi nyanya nimeshaosha, they are already clean. Usishangae mbona uone nikiosha, they are already clean. As you can see, they are ziko wet. Unaona? Nimeziosha. Ni safi kabisa. Let me know in the comment section below. Wewe unapikanga aje nyama yako? Wewe unapikanga aje ugali yako, mboga yako? Unapikanga aje? And let me know where you're watching me from, okay? By the way, guys, I'm sorry for the background noise. You might be hearing some kids are playing outside, so kindly bear with me for that. Na tuendelee, enjoy oil, cooking oil. Mimi napimanga na macho. Napima na macho until I feel my ancestors tell me it is enough. Sasa ikifika hapo naongeza kitunguu. Ndio kitunguu. Sasa nimebakisha hii ya kukaranga mboga. The smoke. There is the smoke. Nilikuwa naosha mikono niendelee kukata hii. Coming out well. It's coming out well. Tukingojea nyama iive na huku, wacha sasa tuwekelee mboga. Mafuta kwanza. Natangulia na mafuta. So guys, mafuta imekuwa moto hapa. Sasa nataka kurusha hii kitunguu ndani. This is the part that scares me. Okay? I might run. Iko tu sawa. So guys, our meat is ready. Our mboga is ready. Now tumebaki kupika ugali. We just ready to kupika ugali. Mimi niko na a very, I don't know how to say, a very weird way of cooking ugali. What I do is naona hii sufuria vile iko hivi. I put some little cold water. Nitachukua unaona hii maji kidogo. Hii ni maji baridi. I'll put there. Okay? Just small. Maji kidogo. Okay? Hapa nitaongeza unga. You see this? I'll put here. Hivyo tu. So hii nakoroga. So I first make this paste with cold water. Na mimi kwa sababu the reason I do this is so that it doesn't form the balls. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Naanza na maji baridi na bonda hivyo. You see now the paste, this one with cold water. Now I place it there. Bado sijawasha gas. Now I will add now this is hot water. See? This is already hot water, so I'll put hot water. As I start to the quantity that I want. Na hiyo naona imetosha. Sasa niwashe gas. Alafu nakoroga so that it doesn't form the balls. So to avoid that, this is how I do it, and I do the same for uji. So it gives this smooth ugali, smooth uji without any balls. Okay? Yes, na maisha inasonga. So I'll stir until it starts to boil, and then I'll add more maize flour so that now the ugali becomes ready. And as I stir, it continues to thicken. Kaugali kameiva sasa. I think this takes like approximately 10 minutes. 10 minutes and you're done. Kwa hivyo nataka kuitoa niweke hapo. So guys, this is it. Our ugali is ready. This is the final product. See how delicious. See? Very delicious. If you like this cooking, give it a thumbs up. This is ugali, this is beef, and this is the mboga. Is my food not balanced now? So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye, and do have yourself a nice time.